Essere o dover essere, il dubbio amletico, contemporaneo.
If we want to live for long, stop polluting and be strong.
Comodo, intellettuali nei caffè, internet.
People are seeing change all over the world. Arctic sea ice is melting earlier and creating later. Glaciers are disappearing. Heat waves, storms and floods are becoming more extreme. Insects are emerging sooner and flowers are blooming earlier. In some places, birds are laying eggs before they are expected, and bears have stopped hibernating. So, what is going on? Our planet is getting warmer, and even a small increase in temperature can change our climate. And when our climate changes, we are all affected. Global warming is the gradual heating of the Earth's surface, oceans, and atmosphere. Scientists have discovered that this phenomenon is in act since the late 18th.
The scientific community agrees that the cause of global warming is of anthropic origin. Global warming is caused by the presence of too many greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, such as carbon dioxide emissions from the burning fossil fuels or from deforestation. Earth is the only planet we know that can support life. We get just the right amount of energy from the sun. If we were any closer, we would burn up, and if we were any further, we'd freeze. Our atmosphere is a layer of gases surrounding the Earth that absorbs ultraviolet radiation and prevents temperatures from rising too high or getting too cold.
The greenhouse effect is the process that causes the surface of the Earth to be warm that it would be if we had no atmosphere. Without this factor, the Earth would not exist. Some scientists think that the increase in greenhouse gases from factories, cars, and aeroplanes that go in the atmosphere are partly to blame. Global warming is also being made worse by the cutting down of forests and burning oil and coal. The ozone layer, which protects us from the sun's harmful UV rays, has become a lot thinner in recent years and in some places has been destroyed completely.
What can we do? We should reduce travels and use more public transport so we don't burn a lot of fuel. We could also buy food that comes from near our homes instead of other food that comes in planes and ships from far away. We should use renewable resources such as wind, sun, water, and plants, which can replace themselves naturally. If we do not use them too quickly, they will not run out. We need to keep our planet clean because we throw too much garbage, and this is no good for the planet, so we must recycle. We need to protect plants because they take the carbon dioxide from the air and give us oxygen to breathe. It is our planet's natural ways to reduce carbon dioxide.
We should use less paper and cut less trees. When we cut down rainforest trees, we destroy the habitat of the animals. Global warming is a problem for animals too, but they do not cause it. For example, if too much ice at the North Pole melts, polar bears will lose their habitats. We must not be greedy. We need to eat less meat to avoid greenhouse emission. The global livestock industry produces more carbon dioxide than cars, trains, and ships combined. Global warming is important because it changes the climate and has the power to destroy our home, the Earth.